Okay, guys, this is third videos, for the core Java. So mostly, I use Intellij, idea, and this is good for the Java. This is free version and both version you can get. I mean like pay version also okay, but a free is enough for us. Okay, so that's why I'm going to show you today how to install Intellij, okay, in your system. Okay, so first of all you can go to this I have here that links here, so this links maybe I'll put on description box. So these links here, so you should have to go to this links first, jetbrains.com idea, right? When you do that, so suppose I will just copy this one here, right? Okay, let's try to do this one like here, copy and paste, enter. Okay, so you will get this one, this page. Okay, and after that when you get this one, uh this is coming. Okay, now see here, so here is download button. Okay, it's easy. So what is he says here is download the community or ultimate. So ultimate, don't download this one. Ultimate is you have to pay the money. So that's why we just want to download the community version only. Okay, so that's why I just once you go to that link, you have to just choose the download, this one. Just click this one. You can see that at download here. Okay, so see, I told you ultimate and the community version, just choose this one. Okay, just click this one, and then when you click that, you can get that download here. And okay, submit start email, we don't need this one. Okay, so see here, so I am going to download in like a download here. Okay, so these things I already download here, see here. Okay, this is already download, so that's why I don't want to download that. Okay, so just you can download that. I will go and show you there. Okay, so what should you have to do? Okay, you can download that first. Download here, right? Here is that where is that? Mine, download. Okay, come on. Okay, that was here. So this is my on that part. Just, and after that you just it's easy, okay, just double click this one. So after that is just click, that's it. So next you can do that, and there's just you just uh, just install this one. Okay, so sorry for that. So install this one. Okay guys, this will come like this. Okay, when you double click this one, is come like this, and just next. Okay, so because I have already that download here, so and I already install this one, so you guys can do that, I think. Otherwise you can see other videos also, so this is not like a big deal. Okay, so I will cancel this one. After after download or install that, and you have a you can see the that things in your you know uh, in your, what is that, in your apps like this here. Go here and you can figure out that. Otherwise that is comes to that is comes to your desktop also like this here. Okay, you can they will ask you you want to shortcut, you can say yes. Okay, just desktop here. Otherwise you can go here JetBrains and you can get this here. Okay, so and then just double click this one and this will open. Okay, this will open here, right? So now when this one is open, the first time when this is open, so you have to create the folder first. Okay, otherwise you just come here is okay, so no problem. Okay, so what I do, suppose, see here, this is a my I already make these things here, right? So that's why. Otherwise you have to, when this one is open, so you just put on there just new on your project, so that will come like this. Okay, and give the project name here, everything. So and just click create. That's it. Just come like this. So because suppose I give here like Java tutorial 2022, right? Something like that. So same thing you can do and just come here. It's easy, right? Just create. And after that, this will be ready. This will be ready. And when this one is ready, you can get like inside here you can get here like source, out, lay, idea. Okay, these things are you can see here. Okay, so only we can use source. This one we can use. Okay, so for that, when you go to like first time you want to like suppose want to like make a, like some one package, everything we have to put in a package. Okay, just like click this one and then put name here like first program. Don't give like capital. Okay, first program, like this, enter. Okay, so see, this is a inside the source folder you can get this package, not a directory. Okay, this is a package. So inside the package you can make your inside it, make your like Java file. Okay, like this. So like this, suppose I give here like hello something like that. Just you have to choose like in class. Okay, enter. Okay, this will open like this. See here, this one is open like this. This is a like first your file, right? I mean like this is a class, and I will tell you later like what is class, what is object, something like that. But like this time just I'm just telling you like this is a class only, right? It's just for the this, like this you can create your class. Okay, and then I just want to show you how to print that one. Okay, so for that I will put here just like this main. So let's see this will give you or not, because okay, so when you have a like this hello class, so you just type here main and just enter. I will tell you like how these things are come. Okay, just suppose I wrote here, type here just main, right? And then that give me like see here suggestion. Suppose I will do one more time for you. Okay, suppose main, right? Just go here first and then this will come main. See, it's come, right? And just click here, so you don't have to type anything. So for that, public static void main, these are one main method, you can say. Every every class has a one main method, so that's called like main method. Okay, so that is like in a main, and this method like here, and there is string and args. So args you can put anything. Okay, no problem. But these things are you have to write same thing. Okay, and just write down here. I will just print the one thing. Okay, print okay hello world, something like that. Okay, and then just save it. Okay, this one is come here, right click, just right click here. Sometimes it takes time. Now right click and run hello main. Just click this one, you can get your answer here. I mean like your result here. This is a built-in right now. This is first time when you run, so this will take a little bit time. Otherwise it will run very fast. Okay, just run like this. Oh sorry, I forgot here, just put like semicolon. Okay, and okay, so it's something here, and I forgot this one, so that's why. Just right click and just click here run, so this will come here. Okay, so like this we can make I will tell you later also, just this is just for the like one example, so later we'll do that. Okay, thank you for the watching my video. So next video is coming every next day, so that's why you guys need to like watch my channel, and then check it out there, so you will be learn the like a core Java very soon. Okay, so every day I put the one videos. So